it's me Raine and welcome to my creative world. Hiraya Journal just launched their first notepad collection and I'm so proud to announce that each notepad was designed by me. You don't know how excited I am to introduce them all to everyone, so without further ado, let's get started. All notepads are inspired by the favorite candies of the children in the Philippines way back 90s. So, if you're a Filipino and was born on 1990s, I hope this notepad may unlock your happy childhood memories. The first one in this collection definitely made your childhood sweet and milky. And I love that it doesn't melt in my mouth too quickly. Everyone, meet Howie. I'm pretty sure that most of the children who tries this candy for the first time got choked because it's powder. Well, we all love it, so here's Mikmika. This candy became the test of courage for every children back then. Who forgot how sour it is? So, I made it cute. It's now yummy! And for the last, who doesn't have this as their childhood favorite? Before we have those famous chocolate brands, we have this mouth-watering dessert right after every meal. Or is it just me? Anyway, here's Lulu. I hope you love this notepad collection as much as I do. I might make a video on how I am using this notepad soon, so stay tuned for that. Here's a summarized chart of this product. Feel free to pause if needed. And oh, before I forgot, if you buy these notepads in a set of 4, you will get this cute Kiss Cat sticker sheet as a freebie. It's also made by me. You can use it on your journal spreads, decorate it on your journal, or stick them anywhere you want. It's so cool, right? I don't want to be biased or something, but I think these notepads are so adorable and convenient to use. So that's it for this video. Hiraya Journal shop links and social media accounts are in the description below. Be sure to check them out. And thank you for watching. See you on my next upload. Bye bye!